Single level living at its absolute finest. Hi, my name is Michael Dowling, proudly representing Pello Property, and it's an absolute privilege today to show you through this one-of-a-kind home here in a brilliant location. Let's go take a look. The northern aspect at the rear allows for natural sunlight in all living areas throughout all times of day. It's ideal for entertaining family and friends all year round. What I think most people will love is this open plan area. It's perfect for the growing family. Well-constructed, modern, single-level homes in great locations are hard to come by. If you have any further questions, make sure you reach out and give us a call. We're more than happy to help. Otherwise, we'll see you at our next open home.